Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the neckband and phone so pairing goes smoothly. Make sure the neckband has a charged battery. Low power can prevent pairing and degrade audio. Once charged, turn it on and long press the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. You should see a blinking LED or hear a voice prompt. Then enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. After the device appears, tap it to begin pairing. Once paired, you verify connection and optimize settings for performance. Tap the device name in your phone's Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompts. This ensures secure connection. Next, choose the best codec your devices support, AAC or aptX, because that affects clarity and latency. Then open the manufacturer app or firmware updater to set EQ, button assignments, and enable multipoint if you want two devices connected simultaneously. Make sure the neckband sits comfortably. You finish by validating functionality and learning a quick fix. Play music and place a test call to check sound balance, mic sensitivity, and button response. This confirms the phone, codec, and neckband settings are correct. When done, power off to conserve battery and store the band flat away from heat or moisture. If pairing or audio drops occur, perform the reset. Hold power plus volume up for about 8 to 10 seconds to clear Bluetooth memory. Then re-enter pairing mode and connect again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.